it took was some white vinegar, a rubber band, and a Ziploc bag. Within 25 minutes, the limescale encrusted onto a metallic bathroom tap had become so soft, it could simply be wiped away with a toothbrush. The hack is part of a viral trend on social media, #CleanTalk, involving online gurus sharing simple tricks with satisfying payoffs, as dirt is erased to reveal sparkling surfaces. This is The Science, and you are watching Why Vinegar is So Good at Cleaning. Though there are thousands of commercial cleaning products out there, many influencers choose to use vinegar. From degreasing windows to washing strawberries or transforming toilets, it seems there is nothing this household ingredient can't do. It's being added to dishwashers, washing machines, and even used by scientists to disinfect laboratories. But what makes it so versatile? Vinegar is made via a two-step fermentation process. First, carbohydrates of any kind are fed to yeast cells, which turn their sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. This alcohol is then exposed to oxygen and fermented again, this time with the bacteria Acetobacter instead of yeast, and voila, the alcoholic liquid is turned into a mixture of water and acetic acid. When it comes to cleaning, vinegar's most useful asset is arguably its acidity, mild enough to not damage fabrics and surfaces, but strong enough to get rid of stubborn stains and deposits. The other advantage of vinegar is its antimicrobial properties. While some highly specialized bacteria can survive in acidic environments, most everyday ones find it difficult to survive and replicate in these conditions. The product has been found to be effective for a wide range of uses, from cleaning dentures to disinfecting fruits and vegetables. However, there is one situation where vinegar should never be used: on certain types of stone. Adding vinegar to limestone, travertine or onyx floors, worktops or tiles will replicate the baking soda reaction. These rocks contain calcium carbonate, which is also a base. As the acetic acid in vinegar gets to work, you'll end up with a beautifully clean surface with holes in it. Now, coming to another interesting question. Can vinegar be used for cleaning electronics? Vinegar isn't recommended for cleaning the inside of electronic items because it's an acidic liquid which can corrode metal parts. The exterior of unplugged laptops and computer equipment can, however, be safely wiped down with a mix of distilled water and vinegar sprayed onto a microfiber cloth. Spray onto the cloth and not the electrical item, and don't plug it back in and turn it on until the streaks have dried. Even laptop and phone touch screens, normally a no-no for harsher, alcohol-based cleaners, can be cleaned with this approach. So, safety is in your hands. Stay tuned for more such informative content. Thank you for watching this video.